Oh, Azie has the remote. Azie has the remote. Oh dear, he found the remote.
What does it do with it?
Oh.
Fast forwarded. That won't do. That's not what.
Oh. Okay. Can we have the remote back, please?
Massive rod of power.
Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy. Give it to Daddy.
Do you know what it does? No, not really.
Oh, Daddy has a remote. It's okay. Oh, the power of the remote. Holding the remote. Say bye-bye. You're not allowed it.
No. You don't know what to do with it yet.
Bye-bye.
Oh,
Oh, Bobo.
No, we're not going to end it on a sad note, are we?
It's okay. Oh, bless you. There is your
That's
toy.
quite a good thing.
Baba.
It's a bit more your level. Yeah?
Ooh. Oopsie daisy.
Oh, we got another one.
Oh.
They're difficult to hold, aren't they?
Baba. Oh, we're gonna smile. Are you Baba? Azie? Oh, thank you. Danke. Twatotela. Twasanta in Kaonde. Twatotela in Chivemba. Danke in Afrikaans. And how do you say it in German? Thank you.
Danke.
It's
Yep.
Amazing Grace.
That's where the Afrikaans comes from.
Ah.
Merci. In French.
Uh-huh. Okay. Say bye 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 bye. Siyabonga. I think it might be in Zulu.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye 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 bye. Say happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday, everybody. Much love from us. Bye-bye. You gonna wave? Bye. Bye-bye. Au revoir. Is that it? Ciao. Shaleni point, Bemba.
Grace and peace.
Amen. Bye.